Today we will be discussing on how to use your credits on CNFans. Let's start with being on desktop first. Go to CNFans.com and then sign up. Once you've signed up, select your profile here and click My Account. It will immediately show you the user center, and here you can see how much credits you have and how much is your balance. You can click into detail. It will show you your credit details and redeem records. Now, since this is a new account, there are no credits so far. To earn credits, you need to buy some items from the website itself. Buying items gets you more credits, and you can use those credits to redeem rewards. Once you've done that, you can hop on over the mobile app and select redeem products. Once you've accumulated enough credits, hop on over the mobile app and do the same process and find your account and then go into My Credits.